Hi everyone, it's me, Shanae, from the Language Globe. And as usual, I would like to help you sound more natural and fluent when you speak English. So in today's video, let's look at the verb get, which is used very often in the English language. Do you know exactly what it means or how it's used? Watch this video and find out. First, I'd like to help you understand the different uses of get, and then we'll look at some examples. But wait, why am I focusing on the verb get? It's because if you understand how it's used, you will be able to express yourself in different ways, sound more natural, and understand more. Let's get into it. Okay. The first thing you need to know about the verb get is that it can be used as a single verb and as a part of a phrasal verb. What do I mean by a single verb and a phrasal verb? Let's look at some examples. Okay, so let's look at get as a single verb. Get can mean to understand. For example, she gets all of my jokes, which means she understands all of my jokes. Get can also mean to receive. For example, I got an amazing gift from my sister, which means I received an amazing gift from my sister. Another way you can use get is to say arrive. For example, what time did you get home? Which means, what time did you arrive? All right, now let's look at how get can be used as a part of some phrasal verbs. The first phrasal verb that I want to look at is get back. To get back means to return. For example, she usually gets back from work at 6, which means she usually returns from work at 6. Another phrasal verb that uses get is get over. To get over means you recover from a difficult situation. For example, it took me 2 weeks to get over COVID, which means it took me 2 weeks to recover from COVID. Another phrasal verb that uses get is to get by. To get by means to manage or to survive. For example, it has been a difficult week at work, but I'm getting by, which means it's been a difficult week at work, but I'm surviving. If you'd like more examples, definitely check out this blog post. The link is below. There, you'll find more examples of how you can use the verb get to sound more natural when you speak English. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you later. Bye.